everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm happy that you're here today. I'm happy that you have already subscribed and shared this video. I thank you very much because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So today, friends, I am talking about one of the loves of my life, my plants. Not this one behind me, not this baby, nor this baby. There it is, not this one. But I have another plant that needed some help, and I've been avoiding it for a little while, and it finally came to the point where I needed to do something with this plant. So I had to fix her because she needed fixing. So, and this was it's my biggest plant that I have, and all of my plants are all indoors. And so it was my biggest one. And so I had to get some, some dirt and some things. So if you don't know by now, I like to be very frugal about things. I like to use whatever is at my convenience to make what I need done. So I ended up going to my local park where I frequent every day. And so because of Hurricane Ian, a couple of weeks back, a lot of the trees were damaged, and so a lot of them were taken down, and so they grounded them up. And so I was like, oh, okay, well, I could just get some sod from the trees in the park. So that's what I did, and I came home and went through my plant and put in some fresh dirt and some decor, some wood chips in there, and livened her up. So if you're interested in seeing how I turned my dead baby into a flourishing baby, stay tuned.